94% of people who lose weight gain it all back within 2 years, not because they stopped caring, not because they gave up, because they kept doing one thing that guaranteed failure from day one. The gyms are packed right now. January 2026. Rows of treadmills filled with people running nowhere, sweat dripping onto machines that'll be empty again by March. Everyone's doing the same thing, the same mistake that's been sabotaging weight loss for decades. But here's what nobody's telling you. The biggest weight loss study ever conducted just wrapped up. Researchers followed 50,000 people for 5 years. The results? They flipped everything we thought we knew about losing weight fast. The people who failed, they all had one habit in common, something so obvious, so accepted, that questioning it sounds crazy. They were eating too little. Make sure you check out our affiliate program in the description for the tools that actually work. And if you want the full story on why everything you've been told about weight loss is backwards, hit that subscribe button now. Number 1, the starvation trap. Picture Sarah Chen, a software engineer from Portland. January 3rd, 2026. She's standing in her kitchen at 5 in the morning, measuring out exactly 1 cup of plain oatmeal. No butter, no sugar, just oats and water. Her daily calorie target, 1,200. Her maintenance calories, 2,100. Sarah's doing what every fitness app, every celebrity trainer, every weight loss guru has told her to do. Cut calories, create a deficit, starve the fat away. For the first 2 weeks, it works. The scale drops, 7 pounds, 10 pounds. Sarah's posting progress photos, buying smaller jeans. She's winning. But her body, it's keeping score. By week 3, Sarah's dragging herself through workouts that used to feel easy. Her hair is thinning. She's cold all the time, even in her heated apartment. Her friends notice she's irritable, snapping at coworkers over nothing. Her metabolism, it's crashing faster than she's losing weight. Here's the part that destroys everything. Sarah's body doesn't know she's dieting by choice. It thinks she's starving. So it does what human bodies have done for millions of years, slows everything down to keep her alive. Number 2, the metabolic crash you can't see coming. Dr. Kevin Hall's lab at the National Institutes of Health has been measuring this for years. They put people in metabolic chambers, rooms that track every calorie burned down to the decimal. What they found should terrify anyone counting calories. Cut your food intake by 500 calories. Your body doesn't just burn 500 fewer calories, it burns 800 fewer, sometimes 1,000. Your thyroid slows down, your muscles become more efficient, burning less energy for the same work. Your brain literally shrinks the parts responsible for movement. You fidget less, you blink slower, your body temperature drops. The woman eating 1,200 calories burns the same amount as someone eating 1,800. Her deficit vanished, but she's still starving herself. This is happening in gyms across America right now. People doing cardio for hours, eating like birds, wondering why the scale stopped moving after 2 weeks. But the worst part? The damage doesn't stop when the diet ends. Number 3, the rebound that ruins everything. 6 months later, Sarah's back where she started. Actually, she's heavier, 5 pounds heavier than when she began. Her metabolism is still running slow, but her appetite came back swinging. Her body's trying to rebuild, not just the fat she lost, but extra. Insurance against the next famine it thinks is coming. This isn't willpower failure, this is biology. The contestants from The Biggest Loser, 6 years later, almost all of them weigh more than they did before the show. Their metabolisms never recovered. Some burn 800 fewer calories per day than people of the same size who never dieted. 800 calories, that's a full meal every single day for the rest of their lives. The solution isn't what you think. If you're starting to realize your approach might be backwards, make sure you're subscribed. The next part changes everything. Number 4, the reverse diet revolution. Meet Marcus Thompson. January 2026. He's sitting in a nutritionist's office in Austin, frustrated and desperate. He's tried everything. Keto, intermittent fasting, meal replacement shakes. He loses weight, gains it back, loses it again. The cycle never ends. His new nutritionist, Dr. Lisa Rodriguez, says something that sounds insane. We're going to increase your calories. Marcus is eating 1,500 calories a day and maintaining his weight, not losing, not gaining, stuck. Dr. Rodriguez wants him to eat 1,800. Trust the process, she says. For the first month, Marcus gains 3 pounds. He's panicking, ready to quit, but Dr. Rodriguez shows him the data from his sleep tracker, his heart rate monitor, his gym performance. Everything's improving. His workouts are getting stronger. He's sleeping deeper. His mood's stable for the first time in years. Month 2, the weight gain stops. Month 3, he starts losing. By month 6, Marcus has lost 32 pounds eating more food than when he started. His metabolism's running hot again. Number 5, why eating more burns more. The human body isn't a calculator. It's not calories in, calories out. It's a complex system that adapts to everything you throw at it. Feed it enough, and it runs efficiently. Your thyroid works properly. Your muscles recover from workouts. You have energy to move throughout the day. You burn calories just by existing. Starve it, and everything shuts down. Your body becomes a miser, hoarding every calorie like it might be the last. The 2026 study proved this beyond doubt. The people who lost the most weight and kept it off, they ate an average of 1,900 calories a day. The people who failed, 1,300. The successful group lost weight slower, 2 pounds per month instead of 2 pounds per week, but they lost it forever. Their bodies never entered starvation mode. Their metabolism stayed strong. They reached their goal weight, ate a little more, and maintained effortlessly. No yo-yo dieting, no metabolic damage, no rebound weight gain. Number 6, what this means for you right now. It's 2026. The fitness industry's finally catching up to the science, but slowly. Most trainers and influencers are still pushing the same failed advice that's created an obesity epidemic. Eat less, move more, use willpower, but willpower can't overcome biology. And biology says sustainable weight loss requires eating enough to keep your body functioning properly. Here's what that looks like. If you're a woman eating 1,200 calories trying to lose weight fast, you're destroying your metabolism. You need to eat more, probably much more, and accept slower progress. If you're doing hours of cardio and barely eating, you're training your body to burn fewer calories, not more. If you've lost and regained the same 20 pounds multiple times, your metabolism needs repair before you try to lose weight again. The most successful people in that 2026 study did something counterintuitive. They focused on building muscle, eating adequate protein, and sleeping 8 hours a night. Weight loss happened as a side effect of getting healthier. They ate enough to fuel their workouts. They lifted weights 3 times a week. They stopped treating food like the enemy and started treating it like fuel. The result? They lost fat and kept their muscle. They looked better at their goal weight than people who lost the same amount through starvation, and they never gained it back. Your body wants to be healthy, it wants to function properly, burn calories efficiently, and maintain a reasonable weight. But it can't do that if you're constantly fighting against it. Stop starving yourself. Start eating enough. Trust the process. The scale might move slower, but it'll move in the right direction, and this time it'll stay there. Check out our affiliate program in the description for the exact tools and calculators successful people use to determine their real calorie needs. Drop a comment below with your biggest weight loss mistake, hit that like button if this changed how you think about dieting, and subscribe so you don't miss the next myth we're breaking down.